Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Gelry. Now, if you're not familiar, Gelry runs $21 a month. It goes down if you prepay ahead of time. It is a monthly jewelry subscription. You set a profile based on metal tone and some other preferences. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. So let's go ahead and see what she sent me for May. This is how the box comes in the mail. So I'm glad that they cut down on extra packaging. It's really not necessary. So when you open the box, this is what it's going to look like. We have a little thank you going on there, and I see a card. And it says, "You're awesome." Well, yes, I am. What does it say? You are awesome. Always remember that. And then on the back it says, "Here's to you." Very nice. And then when I took the card off, this is what the inside is going to look like. I think that these are just more for presentation than safety. I mean, this isn't really going to get hurt in shipping. And then inside you get a little bag. Ooh. Here is our little bag that you can use for travel or anything else, little tiny things you need to put in your handbag or whatever. Whatever. A great word, right? So let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is what they look like when they come. They're just in these little bags. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap all of these real quick. So I did get them all unwrapped, and I am pleased. So the first one is a stainless steel little round necklace. It has little stones in it. I don't know if they're Swarovski. I don't know if they're Swarovski or just little pieces of crystal, glass, whatever. But it's very cute. And let's see how long it is. Oh, correction. This is a bracelet. This is a bracelet. You can see that there's a little extender on it for a larger wrist. Let me go ahead and put that on real quick. I just put it like this and I yank it over, and it usually flips over my wrist for easy. There we go. That wasn't so bad. And here we have, I like that. That is very pretty. So that means the other one is a necklace. And this one is a necklace. And it's a really nice little key. It's hard to see. There we go. The sun is so bright out right now. Isn't that something? After every major storm, the next day is beautiful, and that happened again last night. We spent time in the storm shelter. I'm in central Oklahoma, so I am in Tornado Alley for sure. It happens all the time here. So back to the necklace. So it's a really pretty key. It kind of looks filigree-like. It's covered in these tiny little stones, even all the way down to here. It is a shorter necklace, great for layering. I'm just going to go ahead and slip that right on. It does have an extension. Now, what I do, like this one had an extension, but I found that I wore it at this length most all the time. So I took the extension part off so I wouldn't have to deal with it spinning around and all of that. Okay, so let's just slip this on. Let me get this one out of the way. And here we go. A very pretty key. I really, really like that. Now, I do remember getting little key studs. I think that was in last month's or the months before. The month before. And I don't have them right here, but I do have little stud keys, which would be really cute here. I really like that key. Now, the last thing we have is a pair of hoop earrings. They're super light. I bet you I won't even notice them on. They're just like that. They're kind of oblong. Would you say that's oval or oblong? Let's see, how does this work? Oh, okay. So it just pulls out. Wait, can you see that? Just pulls out like that. So let's see if I can do this. It's going to probably be hard without... Oh, okay. There it goes. Oh, nice. It went right on in. That was easy. It was easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. So now the other one is the true test. I always have a hard time with the other ear, you know. Oh, see? I can't. I can't get it. Come on. Oh, I got it. Okay. And you can feel it go in the back, so it feels secure. Wow, I can't even tell they are there. They're so light. I love it. Perfect size. I don't really like giant hoops. I'm a little too old for that anyway, but I really don't like the giant hoops. These are a really nice classic look. Very pretty. Well, I'm very happy with my pieces this month. Don't forget about the bracelet. Very, very nice. See, and like this, I'll probably, now that I know that that fits me well there, I'll probably cut the extra off so that I don't have to deal with that. And I am so glad that you came by today. I really do appreciate your support. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.